Steven, the review. Steven, the review.
Oh, what?
Here, just look that way, and let me move the mic.
Oh, okay. Hello, I'm Steven, and today I'm reviewing the Vive. So VR is not cheap. It's hard to justify $500, $400 for just a setup, not including the gaming computer you need to run it. And you know what? You're going to want to show your friends. You're going to want to show your family. You're going to want to show your cousins, your neighbors down the street. You want to show everybody this unique and awesome experience that's on the cutting edge of technology. And it wows everybody. And nothing else can really match that. For $500, I really struggled to think of anything that you could buy for that much money to just wow everybody you meet and make you want to share with every single person. It is just a unique experience that everybody should try. Here's your tech specs. To preface this, I'm going to say that I have played the original Oculus Rift Dev Kit 1, the regular Oculus Rift, and this Vive, and I've also played like the knockoff Lenovo Microsoft Face thing. The Vive is a bulky device, but the looks remind me of some kind of tech from Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance.
My name is Monsoon, of the winds of destruction.
And the controllers have a neato futuristic design, but I'm not really sure what these holes are for. Hot dogs? Anyways, they're very comfortable to hold for extended periods of time, and the wrist straps are truly essential for intense games. I also recommend buying some silicone covers like I have here, for the extra grip to protect it from hitting things against the wall, or just to make it more grippy in general. The headset is easily comfortable enough for me to wear for hours without much issue. The screen does warm my face a bit and usually end up sweating even in a cool room. To help with that, I recommend buying some kind of leather face pad for it. Those are cost like $11, I'll have them in the description below. You'll want those for when you have guests over or whatever, because you don't want to really put on a sweaty, gross, foamy face thing and try to play VR. It's just not fun. The cables are by far the most annoying part of the VR headset, though it's true with both the Vive and the Oculus that it's pretty much a necessity to have a cable. I recommend buying a $20 retractable ceiling cable device that uses pulleys to kind of hold the cable above you and just keeps them out of your way. If not, you're going to be busy fighting your cables on the ground, twisting up in them, untwisting up in them, just keeping track of them while you're in VR, and it kind of ruins the immersion. So the Vive currently is the more expensive headset versus the Oculus, and with good reason. The Vive is a more complete system. It comes with everything you need for room scale or sitting. You don't have to buy another light station or anything like that, or base station. It has a lot of upgradability, which is really the best part of the Vive. If I want to upgrade my headset to the Pro for $800, I can keep everything else, I just have to buy the Pro and it'll work just fine. If I want to buy a wireless headset tracker, I totally can. It's $300 for either the TP-Link or the Vive branded one. They do about the same thing, and they pretty much give you the full wireless VR experience, which is really, really awesome. In addition, you can also upgrade to the Knuckles controllers once those come out. These are just the regular controllers. The Knuckles are going to allow you to hold the controller without actually grabbing it. It's going to have straps and stuff. It's going to be the best VR controllers out there once they do come out. In addition, the Vive also features tracking, little trackers that cost $100 each, which is very expensive, but it lets you do full body motion control. You can attach them to a baseball bat, you can attach them to your feet, your legs, your arms, your face, I don't know, you can track more things. It's really cool, and it's only available on the Vive. As part of the headset, the Vive does include earbuds. They are okay at best. I really recommend getting some kind of full ear coverage kind of headset. It's important to have noise blocking from the room around you, so that way you're really immersed in the game. And also having spatial sound, stuff behind in front of you, really, really helps with immersion. To help the earbuds, Vive does sell a $100 Pro audio strap, though I feel like that should either be included with it or very cheap. There's no reason that you spend $100 for some simple earbuds. An important and interesting feature of the Vive is that you can actually use the camera on it to see what the room likes in VR. There's one mode where it attaches the camera to your hand, and there's another mode where you can actually see the room, much like the Predator. Personally, I think software is the main thing holding back VR, though it is getting better. My best comparison for how I think VR is pushing or changing the market is to compare it to 3D games around 20 years ago. The first round of games made for it are mostly gimmicks with few truly memorable titles. and I certainly think many genres and games simply do not fit in the VR space. Games to look out for in VR are the ones developed specifically for it, such as Beat Saber, Budget Cuts, Skyrim VR, and free stuff like Accounting and Rec Room as well. I think the future of VR is bright, and given more time for developers to work on them, games will get better and better and better. So my verdict? Buy it, especially if you have a gaming computer. Nothing can match the experience that VR gives you, especially the Vive with its upgradability and its perfect room scale right out of the box. Anyways, I'm Steven, this is Techdive. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have links in the description below for all of the products I've talked about in today's video. See you next time.